Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I will tell you how we can create columns in Microsoft Word, or how we can convert Microsoft Word text into columns and drop cap. Let's move to the point. We will open Microsoft Word. Friends, these are the text in Microsoft Word, and we want to convert these text into columns like newspapers or something else, or sometime we are preparing our synopsis, our thesis or our research paper, then we need such columns in text in Word pages. How we can convert this text into column, or how we can add columns in Microsoft Word. Friends, go to layout menu, and here are as you seen here, columns. Here are different types of column, like 1, 2, 3. We can create different types of column, like 1 column, 2, 3, and left, right, and different types of column. And we will also click on more columns. As you see, in one column you see here one column, and if we click on 2, then you will see here 2 columns, and so on 3. And if we will click on left, then we see left column and right paragraph. And if we click on right, then we see right column and left paragraph. And here are different width and its spacing. And if we want to draw a line in column, then we will click on line between these columns. Now, first of all, we will select 3 paragraphs. Okay, now we will click on more columns and click on 3. Okay, we will also click on line between these columns, then click OK. Friends, as you will see here, 3 columns are added in our, as you see, 3 columns are added, and a line is also added between columns. So our first step is completed. Now friends, if we want to drop cap on our columns, then we click on the first word on the column, and then click on drop. Go to insert menu, then drop cap, and if we want to click dropped, friends, here you will see this is the drop cap. And same like if we want to add here, then we also click go to dropped. You will see here the dropped if we and if we want to drop, then you can see drop cap is also here. And same, we will also add drop cap here. In this way, friends, we can add drop caps in columns. So this is all about the way how we can add or create columns in Microsoft Word, and also we can add drop caps in columns. So this is all about this topic. If you are facing an issue, you can write me in comments. Thanks. Bye.